everyone, I am excited to share my Fiverr gigs with you. Here is the first one where I will teach you to do literary analysis of English drama, as it says that drama starts where logic ends. So if you want to go beyond logic with me, so join my class, join my gig where I will teach you English analysis of literary analysis of English drama. Second, you can see that I journalize the English literature and linguistics, where you can come and get every type of lecture you want in this gig. Third one, where you can see that I teach you literary criticism and literary theory, and English speaking is complimentary in all the three gigs. If you want to come, you can please join my gigs. And as you see, I completed one of my orders and I got 5 stars and 1 review also, that is positive obviously. So if you come and join my classes, I will give you the better results and everything that you want.